and cosmic transmissions to you, chosen one. It's your girl, Shara the Goddess, and I'm back with another video. All right, so today I want to talk to y'all about cleanliness. That's right, cleanliness. I want to talk to y'all about keeping things clean around you. Keeping things clean around you, because we are aware of that everything holds energy. Everything that you see in your surroundings is some type of energy. Now, I want to speak about, dishes. Doing your dishes every day. And why it's so important to make sure that you keep your kitchen clean every day. Now, of course, you should keep your whole entire house clean. But one thing that must be clean daily is your kitchen and your bathroom. Ooh, I'm telling y'all. And let me tell y'all why I'm saying this. Your kitchen holds energy around it, inside of it. Your dishes. You have to be aware of the foods that you are eating. Hold the energy. So we are aware of that most of these foods have things inside of them that shouldn't be there. Even the so-called good foods, the good fruits. Y'all know they make GMO everything nowadays. So when we don't make sure that we clean our dishes, what is happening is that all of that energy is being stored up in your sink and is vibrating off into your home. And you must know that you don't want negativity in your home. You don't want negativity in the place that you call your home. Because you got to sleep there. You got to be there. That's where we spend a lot of our time, in our home, majority of the time. So if your kitchen is not clean, your dishes, you got dirty dishes in the sink, you must know that. Now I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Y'all know these low vibrational parasites like dirtiness, filth, toxic. Anything that is of that energy, it likes to attach itself to it. So it's already known that it's so much negativity out in the matrix outside of your house, which the matrix is everywhere, but y'all know what I'm saying. It's a lot going on outside already. So it's like you don't want to invite these low vibrational energies into your home just because you maybe didn't feel like cleaning, maybe you're a little tired, and it happens. We all have our days where you just don't feel like it. But because we are now consciously aware of that, these energies, these low vibrational parasites, they love anything that's low vibrational. Now we can't say, oh, damn, I don't feel like it. I mean, you, of course, have a choice, but I'm just putting it out there to let you know that when you make that choice to not clean your dishes, that you may be bringing some energy into your home. So I wanted to just put that out there to let y'all know, like we got to protect our energy in all ways, not only with the people, the energy vampires in our life, but, with our home, our cleanliness, because all of that matters. And not only, like I said, it's not only just your kitchen, your bathroom as well. Your bathroom should always be clean. You know, because you got to think about it. We use the bathroom and stuff accumulates. Your toilet, y'all need to be cleaning that. Your tub, clean that. Because when you wash up, when you take a shower or a bath or whatever, you're cleaning off all of the negative energy that you have accumulated throughout that day. So if you're leaving that in there with, you're just letting it sit and clutter up inside your tub, that energy is still there. So, clean your tub, clean your toilet, do all of that because it really matters. Yeah, y'all, I just wanted to bring this to y'all awareness that we have to keep our aura clean. And this is another thing too. Keep your home smelling good. Keep your home with some type of high vibrational scent, because and it's good to go natural, of course, but you can have things like candles or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But go natural for real, because that matters as well, So yeah, y'all, like keep something good smelling in your home as well as yourself, because like we know everything is energy. If your house dirty, that means you got dirty energy. If you're not keeping yourself up, that's dirty energy. And we know, like I just said, these parasites love dirty energy, low vibrational energy. So yeah, y'all, keep your kitchen clean, keep your bathroom clean, keep your home clean, so you can vibrate high. We want to keep everything vibrating high, because the minute the energy drops, it's like they can smell that. These low vibrational parts, they can smell it. They can smell it. It's just like when you don't take your trash out. I know y'all don't notice that. When you don't take your trash out, y'all see how these nets just appear. Now you gotta think about it. I know you want to think like, damn, like these nets just appearing. And it's because I'm telling y'all, everything is energy. Nets, bugs, roaches. That's because it's like they can smell the energy. Low vibrational things like to be next to low vibrational things. So yeah, y'all, do that. Keep yourself up, keep your hygiene up, keep your home clean, all of that, because it's just like people who like to talk toxic all of the time. They attract more people that talk toxic all of the time. It's a swoop for a swap. Let me get out of here, y'all. Take care of yourself, enjoy yourself, love your environment, put good energy into the environment, get plants, natural plants. All of that stuff matters, y'all. Y'all know we tropical people. Why y'all think that the world is a beautiful place for real? Flowers and grass and tall, like that's good energy. So we got to keep our homes like that. Let me get out of here, y'all. Take care of yourself. Till the next time. This is your girl. This is your home girl. Shara the Goddess. I'm out. Peace.